Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm gonna be installing more turbo parts on the truck, but first I'm gonna go pick up a mic that I bought at Best Buy. It's ready for pickup already. I'm on my way over there right now. I came to the car wash to power wash the mud out of this slick because it bothers me the way it looks. And I have a power washer, but I didn't want to just set it up and everything just to power wash that wheel. Alright guys, so this is the one I got. It's a Rode mic. Got the Video Micro. I did a lot of research before I bought this one. Apparently this one's probably the best one to get, and it's not so expensive. Hopefully it improves the audio on the videos. Like my voice, it's not loud. I don't know, it's hard to explain. I guess just because I have a deep voice, but hopefully this will help. I'm gonna put this on and then comment down below if you guys can tell a difference, and let me know how you guys like it. Alright guys, so I have it on the camera right now. Hopefully you guys can tell a difference. I won't know until I edit the video, but hopefully it makes a difference to improve the videos. But with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and head back home, and then we can start working on the trucks. Before we even try to install anything else, I think it's finally time we get rid of the nitrous kit. So I think that's what I'm gonna do before I even get started. There's a lot of wiring to it, as you can tell over there. A lot of it's on my way from installing other stuff. So I think it's finally time. Alright, well, that looks a lot better. There's a lot more room on top. Got it all out. Got the 3 solenoids, the purge, load line, all the wiring, the relays. Alright guys, I made a lot of progress. Took all the grounds out of here. I had like 5 of them. I only got 1 left for the gauge. Took all the wiring out of here, all the switches. I'm left with this hole right here. I already took the nitrous bottle out. This is all I have taken out. We got the nitrous here, all the wiring. This is all the wiring that was run inside with all the switches and everything. I got all the wires tucked in. There's not many, just the 2-step and the wideband gauges, which is, I got 1 on each header. I think I'm done taking all the nitrous kit out of the truck. I think I'm done on the inside as well. All the wiring is out, so we can finally start putting some parts in. And the nitrous kit goes to sleep. It's all in here. So I think I'm gonna install the map sensor first. Put it somewhere on this side right here, because I'm gonna tie it down to this little part right here. Just run the little hose from here to there. I can probably put it on this little screw here. It won't fit right now, so I think I'm gonna have to drill it bigger. Alright, so I got my drill bits here. I'm just gonna get the one that matches closest to the little screw, and then just drill it to that size. Ow! I knew that was gonna happen. Alright, so I'm gonna put it here on this little screw, just like that. And I just gotta find a nut for it. Just run the wiring across here on top. Pretty simple. So this is how it's gonna look. You got the vacuum hose from the intake to the map sensor. So now I can put the boost solenoid. It just goes with this little bracket. Comes with this one, so you can see it like moves, and it screws. It screws into the bolt that's already right here, because it's got threads on the back. So just thread it here, and then it comes with the screw and then it's gonna go like this, and then there's a screw that goes in here, and then you put the boost solenoid with these 2 screws over here. Alright guys, I got everything done. I got all the wires ran through the firewall right there, and then I got this one mounted upside down because I didn't want it like hanging down here since the headers are gonna be coming up. So hopefully that's not an issue. If it is, then I'll just flip it back down. That one, it shouldn't read any PSI since obviously there's no turbos, but it should read vacuum because when you're not making PSI, you should be making vacuum. So I'll be able to see if it's actually working properly here. And then I got the wires ran on the bottom, zip tight and everything. And then I got them ran right here. And then this is the wiring from the gauge. And then it's got the quick connections. So this one just connects right here. That easy. And then the other one will connect to the other one. If I can try to do it with one hand. Just like that. Literally that easy. I can try to put the injectors on. So I think I'm gonna pull off the fuel rail and then take off the valve covers. That way I can put those push rods in as well. Alright guys, making progress. I got all the valve covers off on this side too. I'm really happy with how the engine looks inside. Really clean, really. You can tell the valve covers inside are spotless. Same on this one. Like the oil is like really clean on it. Remember guys, change your oil often. That's all that matters. And this is a 177,000 mile motor, original motor. I've seen motors that are less than 100,000 miles that look worse than this. Literally like full of oil sludge and everything, and they haven't even hit 1,000 miles or 100,000 miles, I mean. But yeah, change your oil often and your motor should last quite a long time. So I change my oil every 3,000 miles or less. As you can tell, really in good condition. So I got the push rods here. I already changed one. I make sure the length are the same. These are 7.4, which I think it is stock length on push rods. Literally all you have to do is just loosen all your rocker arms, which I already done on this side, and then just move your rocker arm to the side a little bit, and then you should be able to get your stock push rod out, and then grab your new one and then slide it in, and then that should be it. So I'm gonna do that to all of them and then torque them down 22 foot-pounds, and then after that put the valve covers on and then the coil packs on and all that, and then I'm gonna take the fuel rail off after that. Alright guys, I made some more progress. I tied down all the rocker arms. I already got the fuel rail off. It was pretty simple, just a few bolts and then a few clips, and then comes right off. So I'm gonna do one real quick on camera, just kind of show you guys. So just take the clip out, pretty simple, and just pull it out. Just kind of twist it, work it out, get your new one. And then they are taller, so I am gonna have to get longer bolts. The clips are lined up, and then they are longer, so I'm gonna have to get longer bolts. That's no biggie. So just push it in, and then make sure you put your clip back on, that way they don't come off. I got all the fuel injectors in, so time to go back. So just put it back the way you took it off. Alright guys, I got everything put back together. Fuel rail, coil packs, everything. So I messed up. I screwed up. When I ordered the new injectors, I thought I had the right connection, so I was like, alright, I don't need adapters. But now that I'm trying to plug them in, yeah, they are a different connection, so I am gonna have to order adapters. So I right now I can't even plug them in because it's a different connection. so I'm gonna have to order adapters. I'm gonna look for them on Amazon so I can try to get them here as soon as possible, because I know Amazon delivers really quick. It sucks because I wasn't even able to test to see if the gauge was working with the intake and to see if it showed some vacuum. But yeah guys, that kind of sucks that I wasn't able to turn it on right now. Oh well, it happens. But I guess I'm gonna try to look for the adapters. Hopefully I find them, try to get them here as soon as possible, and then we'll turn it on the next video, hopefully. But yeah guys, I guess with that being said, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that thumbs up. I'll see you guys on the next video.